What's happening, gang? Welcome to the Trucker Show. Must go on. And let's try this view over here, and I'll show you how I shift this 18 speed. I said I was gonna do it, and let's do it. Hopefully it's good lighting. I can go blue. Let me know, blue is better or just red. Let's do red for now. So reverse is all the way up to the left. We're good. We're reversing. Where are the loves? Just a little bit. Oh yeah, it's already yelling at me. Here we go. Get it on drive. All right, people, let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this. What time is it? 6:37. We've been driving since 10 o'clock. 10 p.m. So I just took that little break. So I started in third gear. I'm actually almost 80,000 pounds right now, but this is at 18 speed. So, and I drive all the speeds. I'll show you how I drive it different ways, but I use all the gears. It's meant to do that. So depends on the different occasions. I might not do it. So it all depends. It all depends. Let this guy in. This place is usually a lot crowded. I'm actually surprised it's not. So right here is my overdrive. There it goes. Just gotta let you guys watch it. Drive right here, bottle right here. So a lot of people drive it different ways, you know. It all depends on the occasions. It all depends while you're hauling. That's why I love to drive at 18 speed, because you can drive it many different ways. This is an E10 fueler transmission. One of the most common ones out there. Anyways, this is 8th gear. Going down to 9. Going up to 9. 10 gear. Flip the button. Bring the paddle to go into the upper gears. Oh, missed that one. There you go. See, going uphill, you gotta have different momentum. You know, not everybody's perfect. You might miss a little here and there. You just gotta find a hole right there. You just can't force it in. Sometimes that happens. I'm going uphill. I'm 79, almost 80,000, 79,000 some change. So usually I'm not this heavy. It's been a while though. gear, put it back in gear. There it is. So, that easy. I floor all the gears. I don't use the clutch because it doesn't do anything. So we're in Wyoming right now. I'm climbing. And yeah, I'm going 60 mile an hour on a 16 gear. 58 mile an hour, 16 gear, just climbing, nice and easy, y'all. We're gonna go all the way to San Jose, California. Got a bunch of beer to deliver there by Friday, 6:30 in the morning. So, gotta make it, yo. Anyways, I like going overnight to California because I don't have to deal with all that traffic. So around 10:30 we're gonna stop. 10:30 in the morning. Then wake up around 8, 9 or something like that at night, and then we're gonna hit it. I'll have like 9 hours left to deliver right there. The appointment's at 6:30. We'll make it there within probably an hour and a half spare. I like to be at least 30 minutes to an hour early to my appointments. Can't do that all the time, but definitely, I'll definitely like to try it that way. Stuff happens on the road, so I'm always leaving like a leeway of an hour, you know, an hour and a half. So that way I got that time if there's an accident or whatever. So I'm gonna right now so I can go to 17 gear. I'm in 17 at 63 mile an hour. I'm in the left lane passing some strugglers. Then I override again forward to go to 18. I take it out of gear, put it back in gear. That's just how I do it. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I do. Set cruise control. My truck goes 73 mile an hour, and then get back into the right lane. But that's how I do it, yo. I mean, it's nothing crazy. I like this swirl stick that I have, the knob, swirl knob. I show you guys in the other videos how I did that. It's right at a perfect height. That's how I like it. Not too much up here, not too low, because the truck comes in this all the way down here. You can't even see it on camera, probably. But yeah. So I got this new mount for my camera, and so now I'm gonna be able to mount my camera in different ways, so that I can show you guys how to shift. It's nighttime right now. I think it's gonna go with the lights. I mean, we can go blue too. We got probably better lighting with the blue. It kind of makes like a purplish color because I got the red lights with the blue. If you guys watch my other videos, you'll see, you know, how I got all the lights set up. But yeah, we're just chilling now. We're cruising 74 mile an hour, and there's times that I get my jake brakes set up just in case. Then it's already set, and all I gotta do is just disconnect the cruise control and then start slowing down. But yeah, that's all it is, man. You know, nothing to it but to do it. Anyways, I'm gonna be making more videos in different angles. I'm gonna make another one on the other side so you guys can see it in another way. I just thought that maybe this way you guys can see the override button right here, the paddles over here, and how I worked it to get the gears in. You know, it's just a simple 4 pattern, and you know, I never start on first gear because I don't need to, even though I'm 79,000 and some change right now. Altogether, I can just move the truck in the 3rd gear, so which I act like it's first, so I do 1, 2, 3, So I do 1 and then override, 2 override, 3 override, so on and so on until I hit 218. So in a way I am skipping some of the gears because I don't need to go to first gear, which is all the way down here. I mean, it's not necessary unless I'm like hauling something super heavy, like over 100,000 pounds, which we don't do. But yeah, this truck is capable to actually do it with 18 gears for sure. Anyways, guys, like, subscribe, share, truck and show off.